Hey, welcome back to another episode. Needless to say, it's been a long time coming. But anyway, cette semaine, c'est jour 365, which means an an, 1 year of French. And I wanted to make a quick video, not sure how long this is going to be anyway, about how I've been doing. I think I made a video on day 300, so it's been almost two months. I'm going to preface this by saying that I'll try to speak a little bit in the middle, and I'm pretty sure there are going to be mistakes. And if you do spot them, put them in the comments. That will be really helpful. Since day 300. I kind of reduced my Duolingo usage a little bit, and I've finally moved to a book, which is French All-in-One by Annie Hemingway. And basically wanted to make sure that whatever I'm learning is grammatically correct, even though it's quite infrequent that same book level in French is going to be spoken. But it's good to at least have a good base on grammar. So that's what I did. So I have a book, and I still haven't really focused much on passé composé, but what I've done is I've started using it a little bit in my day-to-day usage when I'm talking about what I'm doing, what I'm watching. So I used to say je regarde cette série maybe, but now I say j'ai vu or I think j'ai regardé cette série. So I try to use it as much as possible, even though it's a little bit clunky at times. You have to think in a different way, because before every verb the avoir comes in the bit in between. So passé composé is a little bit weird to me, but I'm trying. In terms of hello talk, I think I'm still talking to the same number of people, and I'd recommend you do that. Keep your list to a relatively small number, so that you can talk to them in a more day-to-day basis, rather than talking to a whole bunch of people. And the problem with that is most likely you're going to have to do introductions, and that's where you'll lose most of your time. So stick to a couple of people, make a connection, and that's much easier to maintain. In terms of what I've been consuming in the French télé sort of world, it's been I finished Appelle mon agent, or Call my agent. I think I finished that a couple of weeks back, and have been thinking about what to watch next. I saw a couple of episodes of The Circle of France, or rather The Circle France, and it's really fun. I've not watched a lot of reality TVs, but seeing that it's really fun, and to see that drama in the whole in that series, it's really amazing. What else? So haven't really watched any French movies. Haven't found anything new that's come up, but I've been working on an app which is not really language learning, but it's going to help you in that sort of way. So what I realized is when I speak to my partners on Hello Talk, what tends to happen is they throw around new words, and obviously this is going to happen quite often. And you might probably forget that in a couple of days. So what I'm working on, and a very basic version of it is available. It's called Daily Vocab, and the purpose of this app is to kind of help you remember words and their usages. So given a word, for example, pizza, that sounded English, but I think that's the same in French. Pizza. You can write that word and its usage in a sentence, like j'aime la pizza, maybe that's a simple sentence. Or you could say, j'aime la pizza de l'Italie. I'm not sure if that's correct. I like pizza from Italy, probably. That's the right way to say it. If not, correct me in the comments. But you write the word, you write its usage, and optionally an explanation or meaning of that word. And so that's the current state of the app. And later on, what I'm thinking of planning is you get a given list of words that you've already added. You'll get like a quiz, and you can you'll be having fill in the blank sort of game, and you have to match the word in the usage. So that's what I'm planning, but still being worked on. That's like a quick update on what's going so far. And I think at the end, let's probably do like a French introduction, because I've told a lot of people that I'm trying to learn French, and the first thing that I heard was, "Can you speak French, really?" And it's difficult to answer. I can't just say, "Qu'est-ce que vous voulez entendre?" Let me introduce myself. Je peux me présenter. Je m'appelle Sorav. Mes amis m'appellent Sahu. C'est ma surnom. J'habite à Bangalore, mais je viens de Bhubaneswar. Je suis ici à Bangalore pour 10 ans, peut-être. Je suis ingénieur en informatique et j'adore la pizza, le café. Voilà. Cool. So that was a quick update on what's going in the French language learning sort of journey. But so feel free to hit me up on Instagram or Twitter if you have any questions, or if you want to get started, or if you are well versed with French and want to give me a helping hand. That would be great. All right, so see you in the next one. Bye bye.